Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the SKYKING mini drone, a quadcopter specifically designed with kids and beginners in mind. This little drone aims to make flying accessible and fun right out of the box. And it seems to hit the mark, especially for that 8 to 13 age range it's targeted at. One of the first things you notice is how user-friendly it's built to be. It features intuitive controls, which is crucial when you're just starting out. There's also an auto-hover function, which is a game-changer for beginners. It helps keep the drone stable in the air, allowing new pilots to focus on steering rather than constantly adjusting altitude. This ease of use really contributes to a smooth and enjoyable first flying experience. Safety is clearly a priority with this model. It comes equipped with full propeller protection, which is a big plus, especially when flying indoors or around furniture. These guards help prevent little fingers from getting hurt and also protect the propellers from bumps and crashes. The drone itself is described as having a durable construction built to withstand those inevitable accidental collisions that happen when you're learning. This gives parents peace of mind knowing the drone can handle a few knocks and the kids can fly safely. Despite being beginner-friendly, it doesn't skimp on the fun features. It includes a 3D flip function, which is always exciting. With just the press of a button, the drone can perform thrilling aerial maneuvers, adding an extra layer of entertainment and making flights more dynamic once the basic controls are mastered. The SKYKING mini drone is also quite versatile in terms of where you can fly it. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Features like altitude hold and headless mode further enhance the flying experience. Altitude hold helps maintain a consistent height, while headless mode simplifies direction control by orienting the drone relative to the pilot, regardless of which way the drone's front is facing. These modes make navigating much easier for pilots of all skill levels, from absolute novices to those getting a bit more comfortable. Its compact size and lightweight design make this mini drone incredibly portable. You can easily take it with you wherever you go, whether it's to the park, the backyard, or just flying around the living room. This portability means endless opportunities for flying adventures anytime, anywhere. Considering all these features, the ease of flying, the safety aspects, the fun stunts, and the portability, it really positions itself as a fantastic gift idea. Whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, or just because it's the kind of present that can spark imagination and provide hours of entertainment for boys and girls who are curious about flying. It's a great way for them to experience the joy of piloting their very own drone. There's also a helpful tip included for those who might be flying multiple drones in the same space. It's recommended to turn on and pair each drone with its remote controller separately to avoid frequency confusion, which is a good piece of advice for group flying sessions. Overall, the SKYKING mini drone seems like a solid choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-fly, safe, and fun first drone experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.